Alright, hello YouTube, this is I. So this week I'm going to show you how you can share your internet connection on your OSX system with your iPad or some other device. Alright, so the first step is that we open System Preferences, and then we go to Sharing, and then we go to Internet Sharing, and make sure that you are connected to an Ethernet port. So you are sharing your Ethernet, and then you click on the airport options. So here you set the name, set the channel to automatic, enable encryption, and then you use I use a 5-character password because PlayStation 3 especially is very sensitive to the password. Press OK, and then you check this box, and then you can see that this icon turns into that kind of thing, and that means that the internet sharing is turned on. And that's basically it. Thing is that with PlayStation 3 there is a bit of a thing that you have to do in terminal to actually make it work. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is that you have to have the internet sharing turned on. Then what you do is that you close this window and then you open terminal. Then what you do is that you need to be the admin of the computer or know the admin password. So what we need to do first is that we copy a file, copy, from etc boot pd.plist, and then we'll copy it to the root boot pd.plist. Okay, now it copied the file, and then next what we'll do is that we'll open the file boot pd.plist. Okay, so you get this file. So the thing that you need to do is that you need to change this number that says reply threshold seconds. By default it's 4, you have to change it to 0, and then you save the file, and then you can close it. Then what you need to do is that you use the super user sudo cp boot pd.plist, and then we copy it back to the etc folder. And now when you use PlayStation 3, now you can use the internet shared connection when you use the Wi-Fi settings that you set there. Alright, so when you are in PlayStation 3, you go to the network settings, and then you go to internet connection settings, and you select easy, then it's checking the network, then you use wireless, enter manually, and here's the one that I use, and here's the password that it's asking, and then it's connecting and checking the connection, and there it is, and it works. So what about if you are like me and you actually don't want to do this kind of thing every time you have to do the internet sharing? So I made actually a script. I'll show you the script. Okay, I made a script that actually makes it for me, and this is using the Apple code, so it's very simple code. And actually if you just know your version, you can just remove this part, so it's basically just about 50 lines of code. So what this does is
internet sharing turned off.
And that's basically what it does. And then when I run it again,
internet sharing turned on.
And that's what it does. And I'll actually put a link down below to the program, so you can download it. It's free. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I make new videos every week. And thank you for watching and make good music.